and bossing. So these are the two kinds of two-way bag, mga madam and boss. So two colors siya, mga madam and boss. Ayan siya, mga madam and bossing. So unbox po natin muna ang color na ito. This is the color black. Napakaganda, di ba? And you will be surprised with the price. Ayan, napakaganda at napakalaki. So if you open this one, ganyan siya, mga madam and bossing ko. So ayan, so we have the sample here of the color brown naman po, bossing and madams. Ayan siya. So you call this one as a Banwell. So Burberry Banwell, mga madam and boss. Ayan, ito na po siya kapag inopen on the insides. Very spacious, mga madam and boss. And of course, the sling bag is adjustable also. And yan, napakaganda. So it's a two-way bag. You can use it as a handbag or a sling bag at the price of 58,880 pesos only. So this one is the best deal also here last time at Bicester Outlet in London, November 2024 batch. So maraming salamat, mga madam loves and bossing. So if you want to know more and if you want to buy ng mga ganitong best deals, of course, follow Baggage PH. Salamat po!